Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Temu app on your phone. The same set of instructions will work on both iOS and iPhone. Now start by opening up your Play Store or respective App Store. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to make sure to log in right here at the top right. Now once you've done that, just go ahead and go to the search bar and in here, make use of the search function. Alright, just type in Temu, T-E-M-U. Once done, just hit on search right here on your keyboard and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, as you can see here, Temu is on the list. What we're going to do next is just basically tap on install to start the installation process. Alright, wait for it to finish. As you can see here, it is now installing on my device. And as you can see, it is now ready to open. Now what we're going to do is just basically go back to our home screen. Now locate the app itself, tap and hold. Now let's bring it up to our home page so we can easily locate it later. Alright, as you can see here, the Temu app is now available for use. Let's just go ahead and tap on it to open it up. And as you can see here, we have just downloaded and opened up the Temu app. Alright, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.